As your EndNote library grows, it can be useful to collect subsets of your library into groups organized by things like projects or topics. To create a new group, select the Groups pull-down menu at the top of your EndNote screen. You will note that there are many options in this menu, but the two most important for us are Create Group and Create Group Set. In EndNote, a group set is like a file cabinet drawer, which holds one or more groups, which are essentially the folders that we will use to hold our collections of references. As an example, let's create a group set that can contain groups of references for a senior thesis. After creating this My Thesis group set, we will select it and then add a group using the Create Group option in the Groups menu at the top of the window. We will enter a name for the new group and then can copy references into that group by highlighting them in the main panel and then dragging and dropping them into your new group using the left mouse button.